Oh, I think we are live now and the audio should be working. Hello, I am the man with two watches, and today we're going to try something new where we do a live unboxing. So hopefully the audio is pretty good, and I needed to test out some equipment for a friend, and I just wanted to quickly do this from home. So here we are in my home studio. And yeah, we're at my home studio, and let me open up the streaming so I can see if anyone chats. This is my secondary channel. Not a lot of followers, only 24. And we're just gonna give it a go. I really wanted to unbox these. So here we go. We're just gonna give this a whirl. So this is my little studio here. And what we're going to do is just move that down. Whoa! That is trippy. Okay, so now that should be pretty set, except for that laying cable. So let's try this. Wow, I am not used to such a wide angle. There we go. All right, so let's unbox these and we'll just see what happens here. Okay, here we go. I've never done this before like this. This is weird. So let's do box number 1. And both of these are wearables. It's a Fitbit. It's a Fitbit Versa, a Fitbit Versa 3. And in the other box, okay, it's a bag. Yay! Samsung Buds Live. All right, that's pretty cool. Distributor. So these I purchased off woot.com. Let's give this a go, shall we? All right. So nice packaging. Very nice. Little startup sound. Came with 62%. Oh, wait. There's more. So these would be the earpiece attachments. So these are the really small ones, and these are the big ones. So it comes with really small or really circular. So you can either go with a an oval, or you can go with a circle. Just depends on your ear. So that's nice. The case is really small. I like it. So there you go. There's my mass unboxing. Let's switch this around, and then we'll talk about the devices. All right, microphone down. This is only my second live test, so bear with me. I will get better at these. So here we go. You know, I should have just used my phone, but I'm testing out some new hardware, and that's why I'm doing this. There we go. How's that? Yeah, that's better. So we have the Buds Live. Now I tried the yellow ones. Those are the construction ones, the original Galaxy Buds. And then I also tried the Galaxy Buds Plus. Those were the red ones. And then I also tried, no, that was it. So this is my third pair that I've tried. USB-C, wireless charging. They do it all, so that's nice. So if we grab a wireless charger, such as this one, these are Qi compliant. And then once we find the right spot, that's going to take some more practice, but they say they do wireless charging. Let's see how they fit in the ear, shall we? So here's the left one. Okay, it's pretty comfy so far. I like how they don't stick out so much. Oh, and I just heard something. So I'll have to connect those to my phone. I'll probably connect them to the OnePlus 6T. And yeah, they don't hurt. The Galaxy Buds Plus, to be honest, I didn't like them. They didn't quite fit in my ears. I liked the sound. The sound was great. The active noise canceling was great. And the side was great, but I'm thinking I'm going to like this size better. And the first product we did was the Fitbit Versa 3, which, if you look, it looks identical to the Fitbit Sense. I mean, they look almost identical. Wow. It's hard to tell the difference, actually. Except for this one senses a lot more. So I'll set it up and I'll do a test, and I'll come back and give you a more detailed review with my normal camera. So this one has silver back. This one's all black. I don't know if this one has Fitbit Pay, but it doesn't matter because my bank's not compatible. So there we have it, a mass unboxing for one of my channels. And yeah, like I started, yeah, I'm the man with two watches, also known as Peter Herget, aka PH Digital, aka Pietro Parker. I know it's way too much. But thanks for stopping by. Just a quick little unboxing. I haven't posted this channel for a long time. And honestly, I already posted one on my main channel. So, and I need to test some hardware for a friend, actually for my local church group. So the hardware that I'm testing on today, I won't be using again. So I know it's a little wonky and a little strange. I'm checking to see if anyone chatted, but it's just me on here. So you'll see this video later. I'll post it. Thanks for watching, and I'll do another one of these live videos probably next week, but I'll do it on my main channel of Peter Herget and Gadgets Anonymous. Well, there you have it. The Galaxy Buds Live by Samsung, and also the brand new Fitbit Versa 3 by Fitbit. And man, it's going to be difficult to tell these apart. One thing I do like is they use the same chargers. So that's nice. So if your wife, if your spouse or partner already has another like Versa 2, well, I don't know if they change the charger. Anyway, if you want the Sensa and someone else in your house wants the Versa 3, you can use the same charger. So that's a perk. Well, I'll set this up, sleep with it, run with it, go swimming with it, and I'll let you know what I think next week. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. And if you have any pithy comments about either of these two products, the Galaxy Buds Live or the Fitbit Versa 3, yeah, you know the drill. Type those down below. See you next week. Goodbye. Okay, so now we just end this stream and we're done, right? Yeah. See ya. Ciao.